Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be transforming these jeans from this beautiful jean, smart and ready to wear. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so before we go to the video. You'll be needing a pair of old jean or a new one depending on what you want to use, then a set of grommets depending how many you want to put on your jean. You can put as many as possible in your jean. You need a hammer, a fiber, or a wood. First thing you're going to do is to flip out your jean. Then you can begin to add your grommet. Mark out where you want your grommet to be. Then you begin to add your grommet to your jean, just like I'm doing it now. Just be careful and see how I am handling my hammer and how I attach my grommet to the jean. Then carefully and gently just blunt the tip of the grommet, just like I'm doing right now. Gently, so you don't lose the shape of the grommet, just like so. This is how you're going to be doing it on all the grommets in the jean. Make sure you don't knock it straight. You don't hit the grommet straight on the head. Just be sliding your hammer so that you don't disfigure the grommet. It's just the way I'm doing it right now. You don't have to hit it so hard. Gently, so you don't disfigure it. we have proved all the grommets. The jeans is ready. Please, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video.